Another EAS.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northern Fond du Lac County, central Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bremen or near Ripon, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage